Hello everybody, today we are doing this yak planter out of the Resin Mold Box, February box. I'm not calling this a yak, I'm calling this a Highland cow. Yeah, it's a planter. Be planting something really small. Hey up. I digress. Right, so I'm going to be doing this in acrylic paint. Loads of different browns and golds. Yeah, so let's get some resin mixed up and I'll see you on the flip side. That's doomed. Okie dokie. We will see you on demold. Okay, he is definitely cured. So clean up these edges. with that black. I don't really want to change any of the other colours, because I think he's absolutely gorgeous. Might need to have to go over that again. How cute are you? No, apart from fur, we can't see. I can't see anything down there. I was thinking about maybe highlighting some of the actual fur. Let me have a look and see what I've got. Maybe put a bit more of the gold in. No, I like him just the way he is. Okay, let's again, this is something I learned from Glitz and Glitz Michelle. Excuse me, I've got hiccups. This is UV resin, and this is most certainly the most easiest way of putting it on. Here we go. Now, Resin Mold Box call this a yak. To me, he's a Highland cow. Hi. That's a close up. Isn't he cute? And there, put your plant in, or light, or even pieces of little jewellery or a necklace or whatever. These things you can use for loads of different things. Your imagination is your limit. But yes, he's adorable. So, And let me know what you think. If you want me to make them in a different colour, put it in the comments. And I might just do it. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. God bless, and hope to see you on the next one. Bye.